session. Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Today's sorry for inconvenience. We are already 5 minutes late. So today's topic of group discussion is job versus startup. Yesterday we have discussed about the grade versus intelligence, and day before yesterday we have discussed about the national education policy. So right now we are discussing about the education and the job opportunity. So in this series, today's topic of group discussion is job versus startup. Uh, Rajiv, are you comfortable to put your opinion first?
Yes. So our today's topic is startup versus job. So there are many topics related with this topic. Uh, I am discussing which one is better for career. Okay. So first of all, startups and jobs are both the way of earning in different way of earning money from different ways. So in job risk factor is low, and in startups risk factor is so high. And the if we join a MNC's company, they are well structured workplace, and a very large number of team where they are working, and many different things which are already in the way of working. And in a startup, the everything is new, and there are many new skills are required to do. And in daily in job, we have a same type of work was given, like any digital marketer doing their digital marketing only. But in case of a startup, the employee or the worker do daily different type of working. Sometimes it's he is doing a marketing. Sometimes he is doing working in the other work. So I say that I can say that in startups and in jobs, there are different work are available. In jobs, the career growth, we got a very good initially we got a good salary, but in a startup we have no money to work. According to the money we cannot get the salary, but in jobs according to the work we get the salary. But in startups there are very few people can start it, because in it risk factor is so high, and everyone cannot start startups, because uh, it require a initial amount to start a company. A startup is a startup company. But what is the difference between a business and a startup? That is, in a startup, when we graduate from the institution, it is not required. But most of the students, they start after their graduation, and some students are starting from their secondary education or higher secondary education. But in many cases, okay, so I change my topic, change my way. The first thing is work culture. In startup, work culture is not developed, and in jobs work culture is developed. this is from my side. I would like to invite others to speak on this topic.
Yes, thank you, Raji, for your wonderful point. You have highlighted about the advantage of a startup and what is the advantage of job. Now, Suraj, are you available?
Yes, Mangalam ji, I am available.
Yes, go ahead with your opinion.
Thank you, Mangalam ji, for giving me opportunity to discuss about job and as a startup. Firstly, I want to say what is job and what is a startup. All students have to know about what is job and what is a startup. What is job? Any person who can earn money from public sector or private sector, then you can say that this is job or this is job. And what is a startup? A startup, any person have new ideas. Any person have new ideas, that is a startup. And what is the difference between a startup and business? And these ideas get transferred, get changed into for earning purpose. Then we can say that this is business. And what is the difference? What is the difference between job and a startup? A job, if people can earn money in public sector and private sector, then these people can under the public and private sector. But in a startup, we can initiate by on yourself if you have money. And in job, in a startup, if company will be in loss, then if your company will be in loss, then some of the reason that the company will be in loss. This question, if you have withdraw 2 vacant seat in job, for the job for the job, then you can ask such a question for why your company will be in loss. This as a question you can ask for the you can as a question you can ask from employee. Then if this employee will give good answer for the for why your company will be in loss, then then you can see your job is done. Because your startup will also run after some time when new employee will come, if your if this employee will give answer. And in the field of job and in the field of a startup, both sector have good opportunities. And some of the difference in the field of job and a startup. I will take some example of what is the difference between job and a startup. A startup have a good job have if you are going in the field of MNC job, then stability is very good as compared to a startup. And the perks and allowances is also good as in the field of job and job as compared to a startup. Security is also a big challenge in the field of a startup, but in the field of job, security is a very good points in the field of job. And one more thing I would like to add, that learning purpose in the field of learning purpose for job, there is very low. I think you also know what in the field of job, learning purpose is very low. And in the field of a startup, there learning purpose is very high as compared to job. And some more differences I would like to add. That is my first point, that organization structure. What is the difference between job and a startup in the field of organization structure? Multinational companies have on well structured places as compared to a startup. as compared to a startup. A startup have not well structured places, and average pay scale in the field of a startup not good. It's depend upon your situation. If company is running good, then your salary will be increasing for the for your learn for what you have knowledge, and learning and productivity in the field of job and startup. In a startup you can learn a lot of things. Every work is challenging in the field of a startup, but in the field of job every work is not challenging as compared to a startup. And in the field of a startup you become on you will become more capable. If you are doing by yourself in a startup, you can challenge, you can work by yourself. Every work you can do by yourself in the field of a startup, but you can't do in the field of job. And thank you, Mangalam ji. I will add some more after some time. You can I would I speak to you. Please give more time. After some time, I would add some more points.
Yes, since we have a lot of participants today have joined, so Vivek, are you available? Vivek, if you are available, then go ahead with your points. Otherwise, Dheeraj will speak. Yes, Vivek. If possible, turn on your camera.
Yes, Mangalam ji, I glad to.
Yes, Vivek, continue.
Vivek, unmute yourself. You are unmuted.
Continue, Vivek. Thank you, Mangalam ji. Give me opportunity to discuss about job versus startup. Job means job is a job is a activity, but a startup is a creativity. Job is a skill, but a startup is ability. Both are other things, but they are job is a depend upon the person purpose. Job is a person purpose. Only one purpose is a job. Find lots of money and improve lots of money about to a skill, but a startup is not different like a startup is a different, not like that. A startup is a startup is a grow up in our life and learn to something different, and a startup is a depend upon the creativity of mind. People are different, and create a startup is not depend upon the a skill. This is the I think this is the come to learning, but I think this is the come in born time. This is a prepared to our God. This is a depend upon the IQ level. I think according to my point of view, but the job is not this is depend upon this, because job is a only one as depend upon a skill. If you have a lots of skills, then you can achieve any job to very easily, but a startup is not like that. A startup is a I am of job. I am is only one find out lots of money, but a startup is I am of a startup is not like that. I am of a startup is only one to grow up in our life and change to employability and give the some job of other worker and improving role in the world and in the regional level, just like a startup begin in regional level, at this city level, so then grow up in some grow up in in initially in regional area and city, then after grow in the world, then they are form of the role of very big company. I think a startup is initial time is small, and then after coming time is very big. So this is called like a company. I think according to my point of view, startup is an job and a startup is a different thing, and both are advantage or disadvantage. Like as a in job, I work on workplace, but I work on in job I work on workplace, but in a startup I work on himself and CEO and founder of himself. And job done by one person, but a startup not done by one person. In a startup, lots more than one person is need, and job give always profit, but a startup gives not initial time profit. This is depend upon the creativity level and this type of startup, and this depend upon the marketing level. This not a like of that job, because both are different. And for the job, creativity idea is not necessary, but in a startup, creativity idea is more necessary. And you never learn more to job, but in a startup, you are learn lots of the startup, and learn to other and appreciate to other and motivate to other, not himself. This is learn to many people and motivate to many people about to starting to a startup. uh, I can say job do not job is not your mind, but a startup is not your mind.